Yo, what is up everyone? This is ngrave and I'm back with another beatboxing tutorial, and today we'll be learning a sound known as Ball-Zee's laser, which sounds like this. So first of all, this sound is quite complex. Okay, you'll have to practice a lot, you'll have to play around with different mouth positions, so have patience and listen to the technique that I'll tell in this tutorial. You'll get this sound 100%. So coming to the technique of this sound, if I try to break down this sound, I get two parts. In the first part, which is the easy part, I do an open hi-hat, which everyone knows. Okay, and in the second part, which is the complex part, I try to do a whistle which sounds like this. And when we combine both of these, we get the sound. And now let's break down the complex part, which is the whistle part. So for the whistle part, the first thing that I'm doing is blowing out air, obviously, but you have to keep in mind that you have to block the right and the left side and just blow air from the center. The air should pass from the center, basically like this. Okay, you see that little pocket over there? Left and right is blocked and air is passing just from the center. So the second thing that you need to do for that whistle part is to bring your lower lips in front of the pressure or the airflow that you're creating. Okay, so just like this. And that will create another pocket inside your lower lips. Let me just show you that pocket. So right there is that pocket because of which that whistle sound is coming. So one thing that I would like to mention is that there is no hard rule to create that lower lip pocket from the center only. I've seen people who can create that pocket on the left side and on the right side. I find center the most comfortable. That is why I've told you my technique. So simply play around with this sound and try to find the most comfortable mouth position for yourself and just get that whistle part. And once you get that whistle part, you're almost done with the sound. All you have to do is add an open hi-hat in the beginning, and you'll get the sound easily. And one more thing that I'll tell you, that instead of using an open hi-hat in the beginning, I do it directly after a kick. It sounds like this, and in a beat, and that's pretty much about this sound. If this video helps you in any way, give a thumbs up and surely subscribe to my channel because I'll be putting tutorials on various advanced sounds in the near future. And share this video with your fellow beatboxers. You know, if someone asks you, man, how to do that Ball-Zee's laser sound, it sounds so sick, just throw the link to my tutorial. He'll learn something new and I'll feel good about it. Until then, Ash, stay safe and stay at home. Bye bye.